Hello everyone, have a nice day. I'm here to show you my concept of internet as I interpret it now. So watch this, guys. So the title of this activity is draw your concept of internet now, and its objective is to identify the common components of a network. So in this activity, I've used my knowledge that I've acquired throughout the chapter 1. So this is my drawing. This is how I interpret internet now. This is my concept of internet. So this is my concept of internet. It has the end devices, the intermediary devices, and the network media. When we say end devices such as laptops, cell phones, tablets, printer, desktop computer, it is either the source or the destination of the data. When we say intermediary devices, it provides connectivity between the end devices, and also it is a device where data flows across the networks. And when we say network media, it is a wireless media, LAN media, or a WAN media. So, it is a wireless LAN or wireless local area network. It is a wireless computer network that is linked between two or more devices using wireless communication to form a local area network, but within a limited area. It is within a limited area because a LAN or a local area network is a small network that has a short distance. It is limited by the number of computers that will be used, but it can be used at home, at a room, or in a simple office, or in a building. So a wireless LAN or wireless local area network can be used at home, school, computer laboratory, campus, office building, or more. This gives users the ability to move around within the area and yet still be connected to the network. It is popular for use at home because of its smooth installation and use. It is also popular to small offices or buildings that offer wireless access of their employees to the network. WLAN or wireless local area network is similar to a LAN, which is local area network, but wirelessly interconnects users and endpoints in a small geographical area. So again, it has end devices, the intermediary devices, and the network media. So let's start at intermediary devices. The intermediary devices in this drawing are the wireless router and the globe. This globe is represent as the internet. When we say internet, it is known as network of networks, and it is a global system of interconnected computer networks that links devices. So internet carries a range of information resources and services such as the applications of the World Wide Web and electronic mail, telephony, and file sharing between the end devices. So the internet is a network of global exchanges including the private, public, business, academic, and government networks. It is connected by guided, wireless, and fiber optic technologies. The terms Internet and World Wide Web are often used interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same thing. It is because the Internet refers to the global communication system, including the hardware and infrastructure, while the web is one of the services communicated over the internet. When we say internet in with a small letter I, it is describing the multiple networks interconnected. But when we say internet with the capital I, it is referring to a global system of interconnected computer networks of the World Wide Web. So next is the wireless router. This is the wireless router. A wireless router is a device that enables wireless network packet forwarding and routing and serve as an access point in a local area network. It can function as a switch and as an internet router and access point. It is used to provide access to the internet or private computer network. A wireless router is a router found in a wireless local area network or the WLAN. For home or small office networks, it enables internet and local network access. Typically, the wireless router is directly connected to a wired or wireless WAN, depending on the capabilities of the wireless router. So, next is the functions of the end devices in this drawing. So, first, these desktop computers are wired or directly connected to the router and the internet. It is used as a local area network when a desktop computer is connected each other with a local area network or with the use of the wired. It is also look like a peer-to-peer. When it is a peer-to-peer, this desktop computer can see what are the files here or the data here in this desktop computer. Let's say that this is a desktop computer 1, 2, and 3. When each desktop computers are connected with each other, they can see each other's files. And these are the end devices or the wireless devices. They are connected wireless in the router. So these are the laptop, cell phone, tablet, printer, and television. Television, because in this generation, we all know that there are existing television that is capable to connect with the internet and also the printers. So these wireless devices is still can access to the internet even though it is not a widely connected to the router, because these wireless devices, as long as these devices are still in the inside limited area, it can access the internet. So lastly, the network media. These are the network media. Network media are the communication channels used to interconnect the computer networks. So, network media are the wireless media, local area network media, and the wide area network media. This is the wireless media that connect the wireless devices, and this is the local area network media that connect the computers, the desktop computers directly to the router. So for the reflection, after completing chapter 1, are you more aware of the devices, cabling, and physical components of a small to medium sized network? Explain your answer. So after completing chapter 1, yes, I am more aware of the devices, cabling, and physical components of a small to medium sized network. In terms of devices, I learned the different types of devices. There is the end devices, intermediary devices, and the network media. Wherein in end devices, there this includes the laptops, IP phone, telepresence endpoint, desktop computers, and cell phones, tablets. In intermediary devices, there is router, switch, multi-layer switch, firewall appliance, wireless router. Yes, and in network media, there is a local area network media, the wide area network media, and the what we call it is the wireless media. So in cabling, even though I have a background knowledge about cabling, it is the basics only. But in this chapter, the cabling is more complex. And the physical components of a small to medium sized network. There is a different types of networks. The local area network, which is limited only because it has a short distance and limited number of computers to be used. So next is the one wireless area network. It is provide access to other networks over a wide geographical area. And next is the MAN, which is the Metropolitan Area Network. It is larger than the LAN but smaller than a WAN. For example, is for cities. And next is the wireless LAN, Wireless Local Area Network. It is similar to a LAN but it is wirelessly interconnects users and endpoints. And next is the SAN, which is Storage Area Network. It is designed to support file servers and provide data storage. So that's all, and I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you get a lesson from this. So thank you, that's all, and again, I'm Kisha Lyka Villanueva from student of IT 2105. That's all, thank you.